I'm looking for your new notebooks, the ones with little birds on them.
Can we start next year?
Gotta give this new school a shot first.
I'm not gonna know anybody.
You'll make friends.
They'll all think I'm weird.
Nobody's gonna think you're weird.
Why can't we just do the same thing as last year?
I can't work and homeschool you at the same time, Lily. I just can't.
You can try.
I am trying. You should. Oh, God. Lily. Come on. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Come on. Deep breaths. Deep breaths.
What's that?
You okay? Well, you can take care of this. Can I help you?
We're Kathy and Patrick Benchley. We live next door.
I'm Rupert Wallen.
We'd love to meet your daughter. We have a little girl about her age.
I'll clean it up, honey. Just
Hi,
go.
honey.
Everything's fine. I'm sorry. It's not a good time to visit right now. If you'll excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Okay. 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 We can give these a try, yeah? I mean, unless you like the collar. Okay, all right. So, why don't we just shuffle that, so. Mrs. Benchley? Hi, Rupert Wallen.
Hello.
Hi. Fancy meeting you guys here.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
Yeah, this is my daughter, Lily.
Hi.
Hi, honey.
How are you?
Sweetie, why don't you go give these a try, okay? There we go. I'll hold on to the hanger for you.
I am really sorry about yesterday. I am so embarrassed and I apologize. It's just that my daughter,
She seemed really upset. Is everything all right?
yeah, it's my wife, her mom.
I think it fits, but it might have to be taken out.
That's fine.
Is
Why
this
don't
your
you go
daughter?
change, Nancy?
Hi, honey. I'm Rupert Wallen. My daughter and I, Lily, just moved in next door to you.
Nancy, it's okay. You can go change.
Yeah, maybe we could set the girls up on a play date. I know Lily would love it if she knew somebody
Things are
before.
really hard at home right now.
Well, I understand.
You
Nancy could come over to our place, and, while you guys get
We
errands
could
done.
have Lily over to our house
That
if we...
Lily?
That's Lily. I'd love for you to meet her. Hey, Lil.
I can't control it.
Sam Lee, Grace O'Connor. We're with the Department of Children and Families. Rupert Wallen?
We'd like to speak with your daughter. Are you Lily?
Look, we've got nothing to hide, but I
Yes.
think
My
both of
name's
us would be a lot
Grace.
more
I'm just
comfortable
here
if
to
I could
ask
just be
you a
with
few
you.
You and I, it won't take
questions.
long, no
Is
more
this
than
your
15
home?
minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
I
And the man you're with, is that your
Please,
father?
I mean, I'll
Yeah.
just sit there and I
All
won't
right,
say
what's his
anything.
You and
name?
I can wait in the living room.
We're just
No,
going to
it's-
ask you a
it's-
few
just let me
questions.
just
It's
be
going to
with
be
her.
nice
Look,
and
I can
Mr.
just,
Wallen.
could I just be with
Sir.
her?
She will be all right. We're just going to ask her a few questions. Is that all right with you, Lily? How long has this been happening?
Deep breaths.
Forever.
What happened to your arms?
I scratched them.
Lily, has your father ever hurt you?
Lil,
Thanks.
honey. Hello. I'll see you later. Have a good day, okay?
Do you miss your mom?
I saw the folder with the little birds on it.
Mom bought those. She always bought me stuff with birds on them.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
What did she do for you?
She'd hold me, rub my shoulders, remind me to breathe. Sometimes she'd lay in bed with me until I stopped scratching.
And does your dad do that for you now?
Lil, I know this is hard. For both of us.
What if it happens again and you're not there to stop it?
You'll have to stop it by yourself. I know you can do it, honey. But I'm not going to be able to hold your hands forever. Good night, sweets.
He tries.
You okay?
Your daughter is a very strong young lady, Mr. Wallen.
Yes, she is.
There's no reason to pursue the report.
It's good to meet you, Lily.
I like your lights.
Thanks, I put them up last night. I really like them too. Thank you. What's that?
Oh, little bus is coming soon. We gotta get going. And could you take that box back downstairs, please?
Dad!
You can handle it.